If you purchase a rundown property and plan on fixing it up, the costs incurred to renovate and repair the property can be quite significant. Today we will discuss whether these costs are classified as an expense for repairs or an improvement. The tax outcomes are very different. If a property is purchased with defects that need repair, these repairs are initial repairs. They are typically repairs made to defects that existed at the time of purchasing the property and before the property started to earn assessable income. Because they have been incurred before the property started to earn income, they are not tax deductible. Initial repairs are usually classified as either capital works or depreciating assets. Therefore, you may claim building write-off or depreciation in relation to these assets, but not an outright deduction. I'll explain more about these another day. If the expense is for a renovation or improvement to the building, then it will go beyond just restoring the efficient functioning of the property. The expenditure is typically fixed to the property and is referred to as capital works expenditure. Repairs are only when the work is to make good or remedy defects in damage or deterioration of the property. Maintenance is only when the work is to prevent deterioration or fix existing deterioration. An expense that is for repairs or maintenance is deductible in full when it is paid. A good example of repairs and maintenance is expenditure incurred to replace rotting fence palings or fix a broken stove. If an expense is for the replacement of a separately identifiable part of the property, then it will not be a repair or maintenance expense. It will be an asset. In this case, depreciation is claimed based on the average useful life of the asset, say constructing a fence or buying a new stove. Take care when incurring and claiming these expenses, as this is an area that the ATO particularly focus on. The correct classification is very important. Your accountant is the best person to advise you on your circumstances.